Aduro had a press release this morning, and the title is Aduro Clean Technologies provides corporate update and engages outside-the-box capital for marketing and investor relations services. So Aduro had quite a few press releases over the last little while, and a lot of them were like, okay, good press release, I'm sure it's good, I'm sure it means something, but people are not going to care. This press release today, I read it, and I was like, wow, maybe I'm being delusional here, because nobody seems to care about anything when it comes to the small cap and micro cap stocks. But this press release is like, I think people should care about this one, because it truly is like these guys are really making it happen. So I'll just read a few things from the press release, because this press release is packed with information. It would take me 30 minutes to get through this whole thing. In the first half of the calendar year 2023, the company has made significant progress in key areas of its operational and strategic plans. Aduro's new facility in London, Ontario, is nearing completion, with the new office space now complete and fully equipped, and the construction of the expanded state-of-the-art laboratory facilities expected to be completed in Q3 2023. So remember how they had R2, they had to put it in a temporary space because the laboratory wasn't ready for it. Well, now we're learning that it's pretty much complete almost. The company has expanded its team by onboarding a total of 8 process engineers and operators. The entire R&D and operations staff have been trained on the hydrochemilytic technology and the new pilot scale continuous flow reactor for the hydrochemilytic plastic upscaling R2. The R2 plastic unit is fully operational and has successfully turned waste polymers into higher value liquid hydrocarbons. So in other words, they're just telling us R2 is finished and it's working. This is huge. I mean, I was expecting it to be working, but now they're actually saying it. R2 is finished and it's working. In addition, there has been significant progress on the pilot scale continuous flow reactor for the hydrochemilytic bitumen upgrading R2. So that's the second R2. The company has continued to increase its presence in key industry events and is gaining strong public coverage for its HCT platform. Aduro's increased social presence and progress have led to increased interest from stakeholders and a growing list of collaboration opportunities, highlighting the company's strong reputation within the industry and a key interest in the HCT platform. The company has now focused on accelerating its customer engagement program and forging partnerships with key stakeholders. With our expanded operations, critical milestones achieved, and strong partnerships, we are confident in our ability to drive technology change in our industries and are dedicated to commercializing cutting-edge solutions that address current global challenges. And then so here are the highlights from the press release. And then they take these highlights and they expanded them. So again, pilot scale continuous flow reactor is operational and generating data. That's what we wanted. Expanding research and operational capabilities by successfully onboarding and training process engineering, process operator, and project management personnel to its team. Continue to advance discussions for customer engagement and collaboration opportunities, expanding presence in Europe, establishing a subsidiary in Netherlands, newly expanded laboratory is nearing completion and closed oversubscribed private placement, which happened a few weeks ago. So in other words, what it is we needed the R2 to be finished and working, which it is, so that they can run data for customers, right? That's what we wanted, and that's what we got. And now also the company is hiring investor relations to expose the company's stock. While the company's stock has very little stock available because the float is very tight, the management owns a lot, and a lot of shares are not coming on the market. So in other words, R2 is operational, generating data. We're running stuff for customers, and we're going to scream from the top of the building now. I think it's good. I think people should pay attention. I will be interviewing Ofer soon. Hopefully he will give us more information about it. Most importantly, I want to know your thoughts. Do you like this? Did you get the same reaction as I did? Wow, people should care. Or did you get the reaction of nothing matters in this market for small caps? So let me know your thoughts in the comments below.